Share Stonebwoy brand now build here. Say a tough. The managers of the artists no either they are incompetent or they are stupid. Excuse my language. Because only maybe the brand Stonebwoy has built only the only musicians I can stand out and say he can win Grammy Award for Ghana. But now say your attitude shows say you are immature, Stonebwoy. Now me feel say Shatawale is immature, but as if say who's Shatawale. I Xposed GH members. What TV be a patcho Fansabo Adomano so subscribe. Any 2 man now send Yakami. Shatawale and Stonebwoy one of the like I say dance some no me the greatest musicians, but Nancy no me yenya no who was say me na me support Stonebwoy. I in semi okikane ni utterances ne kasa na ya do so amame.
Manina or yam and my yam yiri mami poto ho akoshe inti we nyina achire no na se mu hia sebio se we mu vara na ye be hia nkabo mu a mu gidi se mo betuma aka se o mu hage keke na che se ye nko yenim yes na che se de mu tre no mo pese mo enfa
ba ya wo nye ni bibia se odidi umame ne oyere extreme ya wonye ni bibi secret na ye
wo be ni den
me pa che say ya wo so wonye ni bibi secret na ye because obi bedi umame atem
na obi a wonye ni hwe na obetumi aba be kasa secret na aba ya wontumi meka
wonye ni hwe kra o kan
na wakọ secret na on beka
okay nsie da
what inti never be say no na say to me den etuye ni den e de hwe inti wo check we say inti sa reconciliation na e bia Bella no we no see I hope the unity continues. I'm like
what unity
e dey na we yen konisa de bi we are in a very structured system say morals ye juma kra na o no kra trem say mo validate the econo akwet say hu na e de na we ya we sana mu so far by nankasa no the far by no nie
so it's an apology enough for you on this ebia unity the by reconciliation but it's an apology enough and now you demand something more
me as far as I'm concerned the person who and say nipa be hu de ewom which is what is causing the rift
okay.
And it's a kind of a say rivalry way. Me obi be fan say eboa but me ni say eboa industry ne sa your rivalry eye progressive. What am I say? Eye clean, decent. What the American say? Enu bi na ewo ho a edi mpuntu ba because asume say misume say enu bi ntino apology ni de eba na say president ka say hagi nti ebetuma hwe musa apology ba na say nipa na wanya na adwen sachra
okay
what I say na eba ne sa so a ni be follow no and ebe ye okro ma na ekoba ne say yes okay ye manage na ye squash ade tie na omo say me alantanti no ye de me crepo no ye movement na dope ne boy nti no nipa na nkasa no tugu say ono afa ne say game and I will be a tia man say, oh, on your game, especially in the fans for no. Say, a band say, almost comments view of Facebook. A Jumadia di Carbon, no more share group Moaka say, Yanko Taki Womo. I say, no, I can name why Yanko Taki was a comment and I say, no, when you have 100, a Taki at the end of your says, and
by a narrative
agenda,
okay.
And then you nana, you say, you waste your time near Brabo. Type of because you will do me dear be say ye na mano ni krum hani ade wo hwe niama me Stonebwoy me ya the last time torture experience who stage I very to wo hwe de be
stage 100,000 cities I watched that
what you say me say the 100 minute sad type of things in me no my attention here there also enye did attempt competition me na mpese me ko ntia kan pese mama fu hu say ade na enye normal keke say oh Stone forget it mon hage mon kumuni ampani say nipa no ne carrier line no from time we see mu ba ebiem no did attempt sa be sine amampanyin nyina age wo mo de so still yem pese be hu ne say you to me call for some sanity
any decorums. Say sana opese ochre. Nya dia obia be kan.
Anything about say you to me shisha ni amani ye say the so
fantastic. Enti
welcome. Share Stonebwoy. Brand now build you know. Say a tough. So money, they be me say the managers of the artists no, either they are incompetent or they are stupid. Excuse my language. Because only maybe the brand Stonebwoy has built, only the only musicians I can stand out and say he can win Grammy Award for Ghana. And that means no worse. You know me, I'm a guru when it comes to the entertainment industry. So the song arrangements, the way he does, how deep he is. He is one person. The originality, it transcends beyond the borders of Ghana. And his consistency in churning out music upon music. But then say, your attitude shows you are immature, Stonebwoy. Now me feel say Shatawale is immature, but as if say who suya Shatawale. Shatawale kura are quiet. Because only be Shatta menena kasa who say it is time to be a man. Stonebwoy, why are you being a boy? I say some boy never stone when I say ye feel. How can you tell me say Sawoni Shatawale kura boma o mame e samai? Why like I say samai wo baby? Stonebwoy, I thought you were wise. But this is no. What does it pay to hold on to rivalry? It doesn't do anything. Okayanka said, Has and Kotoko can never be one. Who told you? Ghana Blasters and boy, Kotoko players in him. Has players in him. Are they not one? Don't be stupid. We need to move beyond egoism and stupid rivalry. We don't need it. Ghana do baby yenya stars and then gone are the days upeja sakwa de penwana no and then your black one Sheriff, your Kiddy, your Eugene, your Shatta, your Stonebwoy, your people who can stand on stage and fill stadiums. Now the only thing that is lacking in Ghana for Ghana to progress is a collaboration. Oko Nigeria, Whiskey, on any Davido, they can collaborate. But Ghana, stupid rivalry is destroying our music. Stonebwoy, it's time you calm down. Unu bebiae. Sa kasa bebrebe no. I think you are becoming too pompous. And I said you think you've now outgrown Ghana. You haven't. The moment you see yourself like that, that will be the day that you start coming down. Me, I'm telling you as a brother, you need to stand up and be wise. Say Satan no starting to kwana and now him we pia wa kosi atacheni no no atwe ne ho and na wa ba ohoro ne ho and na wo gira atacheni and you are ranting. To say no bia who say Stonebwoy mom na oye the problem. How many times have you not offended God? And then say ka Stonebwoy den kan nyame kan bu afu ache. We need to be wise for the sake of the industry that we want to build. Let's sampasia egoism and actually your interviews are becoming nonsensical. It is not even promoting your music. If your management cannot tell you, I will tell you, because your management is incompetent. They are not competent. They can't manage you. I can manage you. It is time you stop that stupid interviews that you be going on and I was forced. Who forced you? If the president said it, you could have said I wouldn't do it. But once you've done it, let it be there. Shatta kasa. Sambina se otie asem, menen kasa otie. Stonebwoy, be wise. Because the way ba ye bojo so no, sad ye when na obesa dia started there and ye due enche, you come down to class 1. Oba class 1 so a ye mu bi ye besero. To stay why I Xposed GHFM member subscribe share. We need 2 man as like a man was.